scandal of the day. It's daily scandal here in the United States. Sean Hannity. He makes $36 million at Fox Entertainment, but he's invested in real estate. He used HUD money, that's official government money, to help buy his properties. Ben Carson, head of HUD, has been on Sean Hannity's show several times. Hannity praised him. Investigate. What is going on? Did Carson facilitate extra monies to Sean Hannity through HUD? And it's ridiculous. Sean Hannity gets $36 million a year on Fox Entertainment, and he's getting HUD money to help him buy more properties to make him more money. You're talking millions of dollars, many millions of dollars, like $20 million from HUD. What is going on? Scandal of the day in this Republican cesspool.